Much of the discussion surrounding the new tax law has been on the individual tax brackets, the reduced corporate rate, and the 20% deduction for pass-through businesses, cooperatives, as well as sole proprietorships. However, the estate planning implications of the new law should not be overlooked, and that's what we're going to talk about in today's Rural Money segment. We are reviewing the impact that the new law may have on estate planning. Joining us now is Professor of Ag Law and Taxation at the Washburn University School of Law, Roger McEowen. Thanks so much for joining us, Roger. And what existing planning concepts are reinforced within the new tax law? Let's start there.
Well, good morning, Christina. I think there are two of them that are reinforced, and one is that the tax is not going to impact very many people, so most people will not have any concern about federal estate tax. And then the second item that's reinforced, or concept that's reinforced, is that the emphasis should really be on income tax basis planning, because we get a stepped-up basis at death on assets included in the estate, and that's going to be really important for most people, particularly farm and ranch estates.
Okay, well, let's talk about now why the Joint Committee on Taxation estimates that so few estates will be impacted by the federal estate tax in 2018.
Yeah, the JCT estimated that the federal estate tax is only going to impact about 1,800 estates in 2018. Now, given that we've got about 2.6 million deaths in the U.S. every year, 1,800 out of 2.6 million is really a small amount. But for those people and those families and those estates, it's a big deal. Now, the reason that they said that only 1,800 would be impacted, or predicted that, is because the new tax bill essentially doubles the exempt amount that would from what it would have been in 2018 without the new law. So it goes from 5.6 million, where it would have been, to 11.2 million per decedent. So for a married couple, that's 22.4 million. That's going to cover just about everybody.
Okay, now let's talk about numbers again. What is the tax rate for large estates that exceed the applicable exclusion amount of 11.2 million?
Yeah, this rate's really important for those people that are over the threshold. It's 40%. And
Wow.
so if you're in that potential range of getting hit with a 40% tax, then you do need to do some estate tax planning to avoid that.
Okay, how can people find this in text? How can people find your blog?
Well, they can go to my website, which is washburnlaw.edu/Walter, W-A-L-T-R, and then scroll down the left-hand side, and they'll see a link for my blog. And I posted my piece on the estate planning impacts of the new law on January 17.
Excellent, and we love how you continuously keep us up to date with what's going on with everything that has to do with agriculture tax law. Thank you so much, Roger McEowen with the Washburn University School of Law. We appreciate your time today.